Hi everyone, this is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to share with you two amazing and underrated websites that will help you in your making money online, whether if you're a blogger, a content creator, affiliate, and etc. And for sure, you can use these beautiful websites for free. So from now on, you have got to take the action to make the best of these beautiful websites before they become paid tools. And now let's begin together with the first website for today, that is HyperWrite.com. And HyperWrite is one of the best artificial intelligence tools out there to create high quality and creative copies. And to be specific more, here in HyperWrite.com you can generate high quality and creative paragraphs and sentences about any topic in any field to create your articles and your blogs, okay? So here you can use HyperWrite.com to make your articles, to make your topics, okay? Okay, as you see here, your personal writing assistant. And of course, you can use HyperWrite.com for free. So first of all, you have to sign up for free, okay? From this blue button, get started, it's free, okay? And after sign up here on HyperWrite.com, welcome to HyperWrite. So you can use on the HyperWrite website, or you can use the Chrome extension. So you can click over that. As you see here, how much do you want to write? Sentence or paragraphs? High quality and optimized paragraphs about any topic in any field. So all you have to do is just put here your details or a sentence or a brief description of your topic. For example, we can type here fruits for pregnancy, for example, and just write for me, okay? And just a few seconds, it gives you a bunch of beautiful paragraphs like this one. Fruits are an important part of a healthy pregnancy diet, and so on. Make healthful eating a part of your pregnancy diet. While pregnancy is a joyful time for mothers, as you see, and so on and so forth. And of course, you can regenerate more or rewrite for me, okay? So if you select one of these beautiful paragraphs like this one, just click over that and will be transferred to your text as you see, okay? Okay, and for sure, to make an article, a whole article from headline, introduction, and subheadings and so on, of course you can get help from another artificial intelligence tool for free. Either you can use writer.me or copy.ai to generate an outline of your article and your blog. For example, we can use copy.ai as you see here, and just we can use it for free to generate our outline, okay? So we can go to this one, get started, it's free. And after making an account on copy.ai, here you can generate a lot of templates for social media marketing, for Google Ads, and for blogs and so on. And for our today's purpose, just you can search for blog, okay, outline, as here blog outline, or you can generate subheadings of your article. So we can type here anything like fruits, for example, and create a project. Okay, what is your blog title? So we can type here fruits for pregnancy, or the importance or the benefits of fruits for pregnant or for pregnancy. Okay, and what's the blog about? So we can take this one, copy, and here you can insert here of fruits for pregnancy, and okay, create copy. As you see here, high fiber foods for pregnancy: oranges, bananas, apples, dried food, dried apricots, dried canapers, dried figs, and so on, okay, as you see. And of course, you will find a lot of outlines that you can use for making your article. And for sure, you can take one of these beautiful subheadings, okay, like dried apricots, copy and go back to our HyperWrite, okay, and just remove that and insert that, dried apricots for pregnancy. And of course, you can add the benefit of dried apricots and something like that, okay, and just click over that, write for me. And here you can generate a paragraph specific for this subheading, okay? As we, apricots are nutrient dense fruit, and blah 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 blah, okay, and for pregnancy, as you see. Some methods have linked dried apricots to a lower risk of pregnancy complications and so on. So you can add here. Okay, and now we have made a paragraph regarding this subheading and so on and so forth for the rest of these beautiful subheadings, okay, as you see. And of course you can generate from copy.ai an intro and conclusion of your article, okay. So you can make an integration between HyperWrite.com and copy.ai to make a beautiful and creative article from A to Z, okay. So the first website for today is HyperWrite.com, okay. And now let's move on to the second website for today, that is Clipchamp.com. And obviously Clipchamp is an video alternative where you can create videos for your marketing campaigns and for YouTube. And honestly saying, Clipchamp outperforms in video in a lot of features and characteristics. Like here in Clipchamp, you can generate high definition videos without any watermark and with unlimited exports. And on top of that, you can use Clipchamp for free without any charge on you. So firstly, you have to sign up for free, try for free, okay? So click over that, you can sign up, use your email, insert your details, first name like this one, and email, we can use our email from here, this one, copy, back to Clipchamp, Control V, sign up, verification message, click over this link, and here what sort of videos bring you to Clipchamp. We can content creator, okay, what kind of content creator, like vlogger for example. And here's the dashboard of your account on Clipchamp.com. And as I said before, it's like in video in a lot of features and tools to create high definition videos, okay. So you can make your videos for social media like Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and for YouTube, okay, with a lot of beautiful templates. So here we can just go to this one, create a video, okay, and here you will find a lot of amazing features. So we can go to this one, your media, so you can upload your pictures, your videos, your phones, okay, or go to this one, record and create. And then you can screen and camera. You can use this feature to turn your camera on and record your screen to illustrate your program, your websites, your presentations, your video, and so on. Or you can camera recording only, or you can screen recording only. And you will find text to speech, text to speech. You can convert your paragraph, your article into a natural voice over for free. So click over that, text to speech, okay. And here we can select your language with different accents, as you see here, English for Tanzania, South Africa, Philippines, and much more. So we can try United States, and we can select voice from here, from male, female, like Mitchell, okay. And here you can insert your text, your paragraph, your article. So for example, we can try one of these beautiful paragraphs like this one, copy, back to our Clipchamp and paste here, okay, and just preview.
Some studies have linked dried apricots to a lower risk of pregnancy complications, such as gestational diabetes and preeclampsia, which are both severe forms of pregnancy-related blood pressure. Preliminary research has also found that dried apricots...
As you see here, you will find some breath, some pauses between these sentences, okay, as you see. And if you like this voiceover, just you can save it to media. Okay, click over that again.
Some studies have linked dried apricots to
add to timeline, as you see, okay, perfect. And here we can upload your media, as I said before. You'll find here stock videos, stock images from the library of Clipchamp.com. You can add here some headlines, subheadings, and so on from texts, paragraphs, okay, transition between scenes, and so on. And now we have now two amazing websites, underrated websites, Clipchamp.com and HyperWrite.com. So from now on, you have got to take the action now to make the best of these beautiful websites in your work and your projects. And to that end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video.